Probably like maybe, I don't know, 5 or 8 years ago, you remember those Nest thermostats, the round ones? I'm not sure if all are familiar. I installed those at my house. It was like all new, no one cared about it. Now you go to different people's houses and you see all those fancy thermostats, round ones, shiny ones with the screens and so on. Just so many different today that you don't know like how do you select one, what's going on, which one to choose, and they have so many different features. It's like overwhelming even in our company. Let's see what we got here. I have different thermostats and for example this one. So we have a Nest right here, probably one of our most popular thermostats that we install, 70%, so this is customer favorite. It's very simple to use. I'm sure many heard of this Nest and someone didn't use it. Like, I love this thermostat, I use it at home all the time. It's very precise, so much data in here, ClearBright, smart. It's gonna save you all the energy because it could turn off when you're not at home and so on. The second one is this Ecobee. So Ecobee is another thermostat that we put. All of those thermostats, to be honest, they have very similar features. It's not like you're getting one and it's completely different from the others. So they try to stay competitive and they implement all the features, updates. You can download the apps, use it on your Android or iPhone, connect it to HomeKit, Google's, Alexa, Amazon, and so on. So everything is shared. So feature-wise, very similar, more of the style that you like it to be. Someone like the round ones. Other want the Ecobee because it's more square, so different sort of style. And also some thermostats like this one are only for the specific variable speed HVAC system. So because they're like communicating thermostats. We have all different kinds of thermostats that we install to the people. So some of the thermostats, they go with the new systems that we install. Let's say you have like, you know, fairly new system, even old one, and you just want to update your thermostat, we're more than welcome to come out to you or send you a virtual estimate and to, you know, add thermostat to your system. For those that are looking for the new systems, we provide this free of charge. So if you install a new system with us, you can select any thermostat you like and we're just going to install it for free with your new system. If you have any questions about that, give us a call, send us an email through our website, and we'll be happy to help you, give you the estimates and so on. Thank you so much, so we'll talk to you later.